Hive project management software. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to give you a tutorial of hive.com and how you can use it for project management. What is this platform and what are some features that you can use for your own company's good? So let's get into the video. So first of all, you have to open hive.com. What you can do is you can enter that directly into your URL bar, or you can just go on to Google and search for Hive. So this is the main platform of hive.com and this is their main page. It is a very good platform for project management, and it is going to basically allows you to move faster as a team, and it is the only project management platform for hybrid work shaped by users. So you can basically get access to a lot of features, and you have multi-step projects made easy. You can basically visualize complex timelines, and you can also clarify across your entire organization, leave all meetings with an action plan, and etc. So there are a lot of things that you can do with Hive, and we are going to see each one of them one by one. So how you can get started? It is very easy. You just need to click on this button which says sign up or log in if you already have an account, or you have an option to sign up with Google directly here as well. So I'm just going to continue with Google because it is very easy that way. I'm just going to choose my Google account and then I'll continue and I'll show you guys. Okay, so I have to enter a bit of information about myself before continuing. So here you can see that they have asked my name, then my phone number, then I have to generate a password. So I'm just going to go on and add all of these details again, and then I'll show you guys. Okay, so now I have to complete all of these steps. Here you can see that I have added my information, then I have to create my workspace, my company info, and invite friends and choose messaging. So I'm just going to enter a workspace name that can be anything. I'm just going to enter in warehouse for the starters, then I'm going to click on next. And then the second thing is they have required, okay, the company information has been completed. Hi Eamon, how big is your organization? So let's say I have 1 to 99 people. That's it. I have a very small organization, to be very honest. And great, how many people do you want to use Hive with? 1 to 10. That's okay. I'm going to click on next. And what are you trying to accomplish? Okay, I'm just going to make a portfolio of projects, set up and resourcing time, create Gantt charts, track my team's goals, produce creative work, and I'm manage a portfolio of projects. Okay, click on next. I'm using it for project management. So that is basically that works well. Okay, so who do you want to use Hive with? Only, right? Okay, I'm just going to continue or enter. I'm just going to click on continue. That's okay. I don't have any context, and choose how do you like to message with your team. Use my existing app, use Hive messaging, click on finish. And okay, so this is good. I'm just going to get into directly into the workspace. Okay, so here you can see that I have started my Hive. Welcome to Hive. Click below to start Hive Mastery, your guide to all the things in Hive. I'm just going to continue and I'm going to see what is it all about. Okay, so first of all, I have the side menu right here. I have an option of my actions, then I have apps, I have portfolio view, I have forms, risks and issues, Hive university projects, and my team. Then I have the groups, everyone, and I have a direct contact to all of these email addresses that have been added into my account. And then I have an option to write a new message and I can send it to anyone. So these are all the things that I've got on my sidebar. Then I'm currently on on my actions. I can search anything, and I can also add a new project, an action, a note, meeting request from anything more that I want to add. I can do it from right here. Then I have an option to invite different team members, and then I have a notification bar, a calendar, my day, my tasks and routines and everything, and this is my profile. So let's start by creating a new project on Hive. I'm just going to click on new and I'm going to click on project. Okay, so do you want to create a new blank project, or you want to create import a project? I'm just going to add a new project. Let's say it's a test project, and the location is warehouse. Obviously project color is going to be blue. You can select any color that you want to make it pink, and you can also add the project date. The date is going to be, let's say, 15th right now. Okay, so close, due 15th March. The next project members, I'm just going to go on to the next bar. Okay, so then you have to select some members for who are going to be work on this specific task. Projects are better with others. Add a new workspace member. I'm just going to private. You will only be able to view this project and its sections. Okay, so this is only me. The next thing is choose layout. How do you want your project to be displayed? Do you want a status view, team view, label view, Gantt view, calendar table view. The status view is good, like you in this you have all the ongoing tasks, then you have completed tasks, stuck tasks. So it is basically reviewed by status. I'm just going to create the project. So my project has been created. Now these are all the steps that the Hive asks me to fulfill. You have to sign up to Hive, then you have to create your first action, download Hive for Windows, view your project. So you can do that later when you are basically you just started your Hive as well. You can continue with and start fulfilling all of these steps in order to get the best out of Hive and to continue with efficiency. So first of all, here is the test project that I have just created. Now because I asked for the status view, so it has given me the status view. You can see that the first one is status is unstarted. I can create different types of tasks that I want to do, and they're all unstarted right now because I've just started them. Then you have a status of in progress. So all the tasks that are being done or that are in progress of working by me or by any team member, I can add it in the progress, and then I have a completed task as well. So let's create a task right here. Let's say the task name is research. Okay, so this is the task that I've just created, and it is unassigned, so I can just assign it to me right now. Let's say it is assigned to me. And okay, so this is an unstarted task right now. If I want to if you think that this task has been started, this task is being worked on, so I can just go on and move it to in progress bar right here. And when I think that this task is completed, I can just go on and switch it to incompleted task right here. Then if I want to if any task is stuck or if it is not being worked on, I have added a new board of stuck, and I can just go on and add this task right here. So stuck is moved to here. I'm going to drag it from this right here, and I'm going to paste it in place of this, because stuck is here and then you have your completed here, so it is not being moved. That means that stuck options are going to be before the completed one. Okay, so this is basically how I can create different projects, and how you can have different kind of views for different projects. You can see that if you want to change the layout right now, you can just go on and change it as well. I'm just going to, let's see, for example, if you want to have a Gantt chart view, you can see that you can change project layouts at any time. So it is going to take a couple of seconds until that loads, but here you can see that this is a Gantt chart, and the Gantt chart view is gonna look something like this. So you can change the view anytime that you want, and the project that you are completely on, by project and label, the monthly view, cascade, and change layout, and all of these options for the Gantt chart are gonna be here. Then you have an option of your apps. In your apps, you are going to have all the apps that are integrated into Hive, or that you can connect with Hive, or you can import the data from. Like for example, you have Slack, you have Trello, and other apps as well. So if you want to import something from them, you can just click on that and connect the both of Hive and them, and you can basically do the import and everything. Then you have your portfolio view. When you start working on Hive, your portfolio keeps on building. Your projects that are completed will have some kind of information that it goes into your portfolio. So your portfolio of your company is built, like you can see that you have the projects, you have completion, project start date, due date, status, budget, etc. So this is going to be a good portfolio for you. Initiative view, if you want to change the template of your portfolio, you can just go on and add a new portfolio. Then you have your forms. All of your forms are going to be here. Then you have your projects and my team, etc. So here you can see that you can basically go on and start with Hive, and it is going to make everything so easy for you, and your project management will be at your fingertips. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.